因為賢富篇而理解我點樣學識帶領呢間教會咧，慢慢培育成為神嘅新婦。喺過程當中，佢攞到 Olive and Path 就係神嘅簽名，就成為我哋自己一個好明顯嘅徽號啦。呢個啟示神點解俾我哋？因為我哋就係攞到呢個簽名。Olive and Path 係全人類歷史當中咧最終極嘅結束點嚟嘅。神俾咗我哋教會原因咧，係因為我知道點樣從咩蹤跡帶領呢間教會去走入去。
Legends, tales unfold, wisdom from prophets, stories untold, virtuous women with hearts of gold, lessons learned from traditions old, with gentle words like a guiding star, teaching truths from places afar. Mysteries whispered beneath the spar. Paths to virtue, they show where they are.
好多人都唔知道你點解俾咁大代價啫？點解你對神嘅同在咁尊重啫？點解你搞教會嘅時候咁戰兢啫？係懵到反轉嘅，因為咧呢班自以為是嘅人咧，知少少就扮代表，我已經簡化唔止超過10倍嘅，我直情都冇機會講高深啲嘅真理俾佢哋啊！佢哋學少少咧就已經藐視呢間教會走嘅方向。
Find the way in actions and deeds, seeds of kindness grow from small seeds. Timeless wisdom every heart needs, the virtues with silent needs. Hear the tales passed down through time, virtue sung in quiet rhyme.